Hello. Today I am going to tell you about how to redeem codes in Dandy's world. Well, if you want to look stylish while running away from danger, you can redeem Dandy's world codes and deck yourself out with new outfits. Step 1. Launch Dandy's world on Roblox. Step 2. Click the Use Code button at the left part of the screen. Step 3. Insert a working code in the code text box. Finally, hit the Use button to claim your rewards. Here are 2 new working codes which you can use to redeem some rewards. The first code is Festive Gift. It gives you 150 event currency. The second code is ICA. It gives you 50 ICA. I hope now you learn how to use codes in Dandy's world. If you want to know about how to unlock Dandy as a toon in Dandy's world, check out this video.